while working you are doing both work, working also, learning also, right? Yeah, that is a good. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Okay. Right. Okay, I got your point. You make your to-do list, but you try to implement your to-do list properly per day. But you, haha, yeah, I got your point. Because of yeah, I got your point. Because of you always do procrastination, right? Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Mhm. Oh, okay. Right. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Yeah, definitely. Because I thought you made to-do list how to enhance your spoken part, how to become a fluent more. No doubt, right now you are a fluent speaker, but you want to polish your fluency. And if we never do practice regularly, we may lose our fluency and confidence. That's why it required, right? Okay. Mhm. Okay. Okay. Because there is no online question like fluency. Pardon? There is no. Huh? Pardon? What did he say? No, I said no. There is no problem with the fluency. That doesn't disturb me. Also, I've been there like on the platform, then gone like so many times. Enough confidence is there. Only thing is that so I have to improve that on Christina. So whether I'm just making a growth, that I see like every time. So, but you have to become like better and better. That is all. Yeah, so I. With. Mhm. I wanted to tell you, even though you see who are fluent speaker, who are public speaker, who are English professor, they also still practicing, right? Because language always changes. If you never do update your skill, then skill outdated you. I mean to say, that's why we have to keep on touching with any kind of activity, any kind of skill. Then we can polish our knowledge, we can polish our skill. Otherwise, knowledge is just like a raw material. You know everything, no doubt. You have a good degree on your hand, no doubt. But if you never practice regularly, then definitely you never become a skillful person, right? That's why I wanted to tell, because degree is not enough, right? Everyone has a degree on their hand. They have a double degree on their hand, but they never get good job due to lack of skill, right? If you require 1 lakh salary per month, but you have to evaluate your 1 lakh salary, 1 lakh skill within yourself, right? People, they always think I have a double degree, I need 1 lakh salary per month, but they never know their 1 lakh skill within themselves, right? That's why they never get any kind of good job. That's why knowledge, intelligence, everything are just like a raw material, right? If you never do practice, then you never get skill and you never become a skillful person. Anything, whatever, anything, not only language, not only your GK, not only your uh, around world, if you know deeply about it, right? Because you are a author, you know how to write it. If you see any incident, you write 10 pages, right? Because your brain is so active, your mind is so genius. Your mind make a sentences 500, 10,000 sentences within short incident, right? Because normal people, they cannot do it, right? Due to lack of knowledge, they never practice it. Because you do practice reading, writing, listening, speaking, whatever you know, you practice according to your thought, right? That's why you can write so many things, you can imagine so many things, you can explain, you can elaborate in different way due to normal people, right? I mean to say that kind of. That's why. Hmm. Got it, my point? No, no, no. I'm not from that part. That Bhubaneswar is a capital of Odisha, and that is a tourist place also. And Cuttack also in tourist place. People, they know about, maximum people, they know Puri, Cuttack, Bhubaneswar. That is a famous place in Odisha, tourist place in Odisha. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, yeah, you are right. You are right. Yeah, you know each qualification. Do you know each qualification? Tell me. Hmm. Hmm. Right. Right. But do Hirakud Dam is a Sambalpur district. Hmm. Hmm. That is a mud dam, right? मिट्टी का डैम है, मिट्टी का डैम है वो, और लॉन्ग है। इंडिया का वो ओनली मिट्टी का डैम है। Yeah, Hirakud Dam, right? Then do you know his qualification? Do you know his sand artist qualification?
artist.
Tell
I
me.
know him because he has been and he has been coaching also. There are like lot other renowned like
Right
sculpturists.
now, but
So he's an
he
hmm,
has completed sixth standard,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Because
Uh,
he got also
hmm,
Padma Shri from
hmm, hmm,
President of India.